Hello friends, this is me Zahid Hussain. Our computer embroidery designing course on Welcome Software is continuing, and in this video you will learn that how we can insert image in Welcome Software and about toolbar settings. These are all the topics which we will learn in this complete course. So in the beginning of this video I want to tell you that if you are watching this video first time on YouTube or any other website, so for complete course and for all details you can visit our website computerhole.blogspot.com. Here you will get all the details about this complete course and everything. So now let's start in this video. That our topic is how we can insert image in Welcome Software. For punching and traveling I mean designing, and about toolbar settings. So today we have two topics which we have to learn in this video. Now first of all, how we can insert an image in Welcome Software. There is I have some images. For example, first of all, you have to click on the button of image in menu bar. You have to click on the image button, and then you have to click on insert file. First of all, on the menu you have to click on image button. A drop down menu will be open. In drop down menu you have to click on insert file button. So click on insert file button. So you have to select the image where you have. For example, I have some images in C drive and in welcome articles, and there are I have some images. For example, I have to open an image in Zahid folder. You have to click files of type. You have to click there and select all files option. Okay, you have to click here and select all files. There I have many files. So to open any type of file, double click on the image or single click on the image and then click on open button. Okay, double click on the image or single click on any image and then click on open button. Now you can see that the error about import failed. If you find any type of error like this, for example, we are opening this image in Welcome Software and it is not opening. So we have, if you have any image which is not working in Welcome Software, so you have to change the format of this image. For example, open right click on this image and open this image into paint. For example, I will click right on this image and click on edit. It will automatically open in paint software. Paint is, you know that paint is the basic software of all the image editing software. So now you have to save this image into JPEG format. So I will save then on desktop. You can save this any image on anywhere. So I am going to save this image on desktop with any name, for example with the name of my name. So I have saved this image. Now I will open this image again on desktop, all files. So this is, and now open. So you can see that I have opened an image which was giving me an error. So if you are not able to insert any type of image, so you can change its format like me, as I have changed now. So now we will insert any other image. For example this type. So in this way you can insert or open any type of image in Welcome software. Now, one important thing, always remember, if you will press your from your keyboard button, D button, so the image will be hide. The image is present in Welcome software, but it is not showing because we have hide the image. If the image is hide and then you will open any type of image, it will not be show because the image is hide in Welcome software. So before the inserting of any image, first of all you should on the bitmaps. Bitmaps mean insert image option. Its shortcut is D. You can press the D button from your keyboard for show or hide the image. Okay. For example, if you uh, un uncheck this button, so the image will hide, and then you will click on this button, the image will be shown. So in this way you can insert any type of image in Welcome software, and if any image have any problem, so you can change the property of this image, and then you can insert or open of this image. Now the second topic is about toolbar settings. How you can um, how you can add these menus, these toolbars in Welcome software. If you have to insert any menu, or if you have to delete any menu, so how you can do that? To delete any menu, you can uh, click on there. For example, this is a menu, you can drag there anywhere. Okay, you can change its position, click on his corner and move that. You can fix them anywhere. Okay, for example, I have to delete them, so I will drag it and came it here. Now I can delete it. So in this way we can delete any type of toolbar. You can see that I am deleting all the toolbars. You can change the position of any toolbar by dragging him. So now the toolbars we have deleted. If we have to insert them again, so how we can do that? For insert any type of toolbar, you have to click on view button. In menu you have to click on view button, and then in drop down menu you have to click on toolbars button. Okay, you have to click on toolbars button. Here you can see that there are all the toolbars. You can show or hide any type of toolbar. For example, there is a toolbar with the name of standard. So if I will uncheck this toolbar and then okay, you can see that this toolbar has removed from here. And then if you have to insert this toolbar again, so check this toolbar and then click on OK, it will be show or insert. So in this way you can insert or hide any type of toolbar. For example, I want to insert or show all the toolbars, so I will uh, check all the toolbars and then OK. So you can see that I have all the toolbars, and then I can fix them anywhere. uh, so in this way you can show or hide or insert or remove any type of toolbar, and you can change their position also, and other tools which you don't need you can remove them. So our topic of this video has completed. I hope you will like this video. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for new updates. Inshallah we will meet again in next video. So goodbye. Allah Hafiz.